This is 112, number 21, Meadow Ridge Drive. This is building 112. 112 is one of the largest units that we have here down on the cul-de-sac. And 1221 is an end unit. This particular unit does have a keypad entry. And this unit, being an end unit, also has a front kitchen. Some of the units here are all open. They don't have the wall. This is actually a load-bearing wall because it's an end unit. So it does have a front kitchen with the wall, and the wall separates the dining room area from the rest of the downstairs. One nice feature of having a front kitchen is it does have a window over the sink. It does have a coat closet just as you come in the door. And then it is, again, nice to have a wall here so that you could put something like this little island, some shelving. You do have nice high-end appliances. Have a 5-burner glass stove, built-in microwave, lots of cupboard space, countertop space. Dishwasher. Have nice laminate wood floors. Again, having a wall does give you a little extra space. A lot of people do have a desk or something set up here. Gives you a little extra wall space. And then because it is an end unit, it does have windows, which is another nice feature. You have a little bit more light. The lady who lives here is moving, so there's a little extra boxes here. These are very spacious, about 1,280 square feet, as well as a basement. In this building, it doesn't have a walkout basement, so there is not a deck. It does have a patio. And again, no one on the other end. So, have some stairs leading down, 3 steps, and then crushed rock. And then you do have our privacy partition. And then over here is the basement door. Again, it is a full basement, very spacious. Lots of room for storage. This does have the utility room for the unit. It does have a water meter and so forth. Here's your washer dryer hookup. These units do belong to the owner, but the hookups are right here. So again, very large, clean and dry. We do recommend dehumidifiers in the basement simply because of the concrete. Concrete does absorb moisture somewhat, depending on what you do store down here. And on the second floor, you do have 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths. The only place this carpet is on the stairs, basically for sound control. At the top of the stairs, you have a linen closet. This is the second bedroom, or smaller bedroom, which is still a pretty good size. This will take a queen size bed, no problem. This lady's using it for storage right now. And this has a pretty large closet. It actually does go all the way down to that wall, so it's pretty large. So that corner right down there is where the closet ends. And then this is the guest bathroom. Again, it does have 2 full baths. So we have a tub and shower. Granite top vanity. And there's ceramic tile flooring in the bathrooms. And then you go into the master bedroom, which also has a full bath. Basically the same as the other bathroom. And then this is a very large size master bedroom. It has double windows. The closets here, it's a double closet, has 2 doors. There's one here and one on the end, and this is actually one closet, so the closet actually goes all the way down through there, so a lot of closet space in the master as well. And again, you have the same laminate wood floors. This is made to take a king-size bed plus a king-size bedroom set. So there's plenty of room in here for any furniture that you might have, any size bed. So again, this door master closes off, so you do have your own master bathroom in here. So that basically concludes the video tour of 112, number 21, Meadow Ridge Drive. Oh, one other thing about this particular unit. So the laminate floor is pretty decent, except for one little spot right here. This is the door, the entry door. This was like this when this tenant moved in, and she was fine with it. It's buckled up a little bit, if you can see this. She has rugs over it, and that was fine with her. Has a little bit of an issue, which happens with these floors sometimes over time, over here, and then a little bit in front of the sink. So it's just come apart, the spacing a little bit, and so forth. So again, most people do put rugs down on these floors anyway, where they walk. So, but I just wanted to point that out. So other than that, the unit is in very good shape. It's not very old, about maybe 4 years old, and everything else in here looks great. So if you have any questions, you can call us at 207-974-6606, or you can visit us at rentbangor.com.